Hello, English buddies! Welcome to the very first episode of English Buddy Talk. I'm Lily, and I am so happy you are learning English with us today.
And I'm Max. We are so excited to help you speak English confidently every single day.
Yes, and today we are learning something super important.
Something you need when you meet a new person.
Exactly. Today's topic is how to meet someone new in English.
Maybe at school?
Maybe at work?
Maybe at a party.
Meeting someone new is a big part of life.
So today, we will help you sound friendly and confident.
Phrase number 1. Hi, I'm blank.
This is the easiest way to introduce yourself. For example,
Hi, I'm Lily.
Hi, I'm Max.
Say it with us, friends. Ready? Hi, I'm blank.
Okay.
Good. Simple.
Now, after you say, Hi, I'm... what comes next?
You can ask the other person's name. Very easy. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Max. What's your name?
Oh, I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
This is a magic sentence. It makes people happy. It makes you polite.
Nice to meet you, Max.
Nice to meet you, Lily.
Friends, try it now. Repeat after us. Nice to meet you.
Good job. Great pronunciation.
Let's imagine we are at a coffee shop.
Okay, I'm buying my favorite coffee. I look next to me and... oh, I see Lily.
Oh, hi.
Hi, I'm Max. What's your name?
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Wow, that was so simple and natural.
When you meet someone new, you are curious, right?
Yes, but you must be kind. So here is a friendly question you can ask. Where are you from?
Let's try it.
Lily, where are you from?
I'm from New York. Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Friends, your turn. Say it with us. I'm from...
Great. You are doing amazing.
Today, we learned 3 useful parts of conversation.
1. Hi, I'm... 2. What's your name? Nice to meet you. 3. Where are you from?
Just these 3 help you start a real English conversation anywhere.
In your school? At work? On vacation? Or online? Here's a bonus question you can ask after you know someone's name and where they are from. Do you live here?
Yes, many people travel or move to new cities, so this question helps you learn more about them.
Max, do you live here?
Yes, I live here in the city. What about you?
Yes, I live here too.
See? Easy and friendly. And look, we already sound like friends.
Hi, I'm...
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Do you live here? Amazing job. Every time you meet someone new, you can use these sentences.
Wow, you did great today. You learned real English that you can use every day.
Yes, and remember, English becomes easy when you practice a little bit every day.
So try this with someone today. A friend, a classmate, or even a new person online.
And we want to know you too. Write in the comments, Hi, I'm from...
We will read your comments and reply.
And if you liked learning with us today, please do us a small favor.
Hit the like button. And of course, subscribe to English Buddy Talk so you never miss a new episode.
We are here every week to help you speak English confidently.
So keep learning
Keep smiling.
and keep speaking English.
Thank you for listening to English Buddy Talk.
See you in the next episode, English Buddies.